dark, we don't need a map. Wait for the click of the silver trap. I feel the super needles under my skin. Where does the human and the haunt begin? High speed chase on a velvet floor. Knock once, then we break the door. Hunt the demons, we see the starlight, blinding the ghost in the middle of the night. Supernatural move, we don't ever run. Finish the hunt when the work is done. Check the pulse, check the digital sign. Crossing the line, crossing the line. No evidence left in the dust and the heat. Hunt is a habit, never a retreat. Wait for the starlight to hit the blade. We are the ones that the demons made afraid. Higher we climb where the air is thin. Let the real hunt now begin. Hunt the demons, we see the starlight, blinding the ghost in the middle of the night. Supernatural move, we don't ever run. Finish the hunt when the work is done. Starlight in my pocket, case is closed. Hunt 'em down, that's just how the story goes. Hunt, hunt. Catch me, shadow. Catch me, tracing every hollow. A midnight riddle, dark and narrow. Catch me, shadow. Catch me, lead the way I follow. A hunter's instinct, never shallow. Run, run, run. Run through the silver rain. Run to the silver rain. Run till the shadows fade. Run until the shadows fade. Run like you're not afraid. Glow, 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 glow. Glow like a neon ghost. Glow when the heat is low. Glow the most. Catch me, shadow.